love how they package these. It's just such a nice presentation. Okay, what else do we have? Oh my gosh, here's like the bulk of this order.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody.
So in today's video, we're unboxing some new bulbs we just got yesterday.
We're so excited to see what's in this box. But before we get to that, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on every daily video.
So we've got some new bulbs. They just came in the mail. We wanted to unbox them with you guys and show you what we got.
Yeah, for those of you that were with us on our live last Wednesday, which by the way, we go live every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific, we were supposed to have these in our hands and we were super excited to unbox these with you, but they weren't here yet. They got delayed. So here they are. We're gonna show you everything we got.
Okay guys, you ready? We're ready. Here's our bulbs, nice big box. Look at this. And we got it from Color Blends. So they're a great company, lots of great bulbs to look at here. So let's get into it.
I'm so excited to see what's in here. And you guys, for real, there's at least 300 bulbs in here. We were kind of surprised. We thought it would be a little bigger, but that's okay.
That's okay. So we're gonna open the box here.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Okay, opening up, got some paperwork. So Color Blends likes to send their planting care instructions. That's pretty cool,
That's cool.
right?
That's helpful. Yeah.
So here, I'm gonna set those over there. Okay. So we got some packing material here, some more paraphernalia from Color Blends. Looks like a postcard, that's cool. Amsterdam Tulip Museum, sweet, who knew? Okay. And invoices. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at all that.
Wow, that is so cool. Okay, so what should we go after first?
I don't know.
You want to pull the first one out?
Yeah, let's see what this is. I'm gonna hand that to you.
So these are Best White tulips.
Oh yes.
Creamy yellow turning white. So they bloom from early to mid-spring. They get to about 16 to 18 inches high, and we need to plant them, according to these guys, about 4 inches apart and 5 inches deep. So that's interesting.
Oh, that's so exciting.
Cool, wow. So
these are beautiful.
So guys, there's 25 bulbs in this bag. Isn't that cool?
Oh,
look at all those.
I can't wait to plant those.
They all look really nice and healthy and great.
Awesome.
Yep. Sometimes when you get bulbs, they don't all come looking that great. Some of them are blackened, some of them are a little soft. So this is not the case with these bulbs. Next up.
Oh, this is great.
Beauty of Spring. There's 25 bulbs in this bag too, so they get creamy yellow with a red in their flower. They bloom around mid-spring, it says here, and height 22 to 24 inches, so about 2 feet tall.
Yeah, that's cool.
Now we need to plant these, it looks like 4 inches apart and again, 5 inches deep. So same as the other ones.
I love how they package these. It's just such a nice presentation.
That's nice and bright.
Okay, what else do we have? Oh my gosh, here's like the bulk of this order.
Wow,
so
that's a
we
big
have
bag.
100 tulips here.
Oh my gosh.
These are called Miss Confection. There are 100 tulips in here. So these are gonna bloom in early to mid-spring in a beautiful reddish pink with white color. We know exactly where we're gonna put these and we'll show you in an upcoming video. They're gonna get to a height of about 1.5 feet, so about 16 to 18 inches tall. And these are gonna be awesome. So
Beautiful.
Lots of new tulips this year.
Cool, look how many there are.
Look at this, you guys.
Wow.
So that'll keep us busy.
That is awesome.
Those over there.
So then next up.
Next, they just keep on coming here.
Is this the last bag or is there more?
No, there's 2 more.
There's 2 more, wow.
25 daffodil bulbs.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
let's look at those daffs.
Oh, these are beautiful.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yep, definitely daffs.
These are going to be white with orange. So they're a white daffodil with an orange center.
They're called geranium.
Geranium.
Wow, okay.
And these are going to also be a height of about 16 to 18 inches, so about 1.5 feet. And we've got some ideas for planting these as well. So pretty cool.
Cool.
Okay, and our last order, little tiny cute bulbs.
Tiny cute bulbs.
Look at
What
these
could those
tiny
be?
bulbs.
Let's look at those.
This should be 100 windflowers. Yep, Anemone blonda. Gonna be white and lavender blue, and they'll bloom early to mid-spring. So about the same time as the daffodils and one of the tulip cultivars that we ordered.
Wow.
So what we did when we ordered these from Color Blends is we figured out a range of blooming time. So we'll kind of have a show from early spring to late spring. And these aren't the only bulbs we ordered, by the way. There will be more, but these are gonna be great.
Oh, beautiful. Right on.
And it looks like we got a magnet. Looks like Vincent van Gogh, Starry Night.
Starry Night.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that's nice.
Random. Okay.
Cool.
And that's all.
So guys, that's it for all the unboxing we're gonna do for today's episode.
And we hope we maybe excited you a little bit about your own bulb planting. So we'd love to hear about it down in the comments below.
So go ahead and leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap. So we'll be back tomorrow with another new project. So come on by to see what we're up to, you guys.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.